Hello friends, this is Bitcoding and we are going to learn about server-side programming and database, and we are going to learn Node.js and Express as backend frameworks, and we are using MongoDB as our database. The prerequisites for this course are JavaScript. You have to have good understanding of JavaScript. If not, you need to have some understanding of programming language, any high-level programming language to get things done with this course. Understanding of object-oriented programming is necessary for this course as well. You need to know some Unix commands as well. The tools required for this course are Node Package Manager, and I recommend Visual Studio Code as our text editor. You can use any other text editor like Sublime Text or Notepad++ or Notepad as well. And we are going to use Git for version controlling, and uh, this Git will help us in deployment of our project using Heroku. So let's see what are the tools required for this course. We require Node.js. So you can see it's a very easy download, and we just need to click the two options. I'm going to use the recommended one, and I recommend as you guys to use this as well because the latest version could have some bugs. People are working over it as well, so use the recommended version. Oh, this is downloaded. As I already have Node installed in my PC, so I'm not going to install it again. It's a very easy process. We just need to install using this setup, and I have cancelled it because I already have this in my PC. The another tool which required is Visual Studio Code. You can download it from this website, which I'm going to link down all the website required for all the tools you need for this course. And this is really easy as well. You just need to click this button and it would get the version that is compatible with your PC downloaded into your system, and you just need to install it. The another thing we need to use is Git, and you need to click this button, and you will get Git in your PC as well. So we are going to use Visual Studio Code, and I have opened a folder as well inside it, and let's just start our and create our first server. We are going to use npm init to initialize our, and the package name for the project would be node 1. It's okay, the version is okay, and description, node express node express series, and the entry point would be server.js. Test command default, I'm going with the default one, author, bit coding, and the license I'm going to use is MIT. So there is a JSON created. I'm going to accept it because I think it's okay. You can see there is a JSON which is created using that npm node package manager. Now I'm going to install all the dependencies required for this course. So we're going to use npm install express, which are backend framework, and we are going to use express validator as well. Express underscore validator, and we are going to use PyScript as well. Piece JS and config. These are all the files required for the later part of this video, so stay tuned. I'm going to you I'm going to get all of them so that we are not doing this thing again. JSON web token. JSON web token is also required. I'm going to tell about all the dependencies, so don't worry about it. And we are going to use mongoose for managing our database. I think I have all the required things. Let's just get them. All the tools are required are being added to the project. Okay, and we are good with it. I think so. So there is some kind of vulnerability. Let's just fix it and hope it gets fixed. I need to manually check it. I don't think so that this would be a problem for you guys and it is not that big issue. So we also need a node one as our dev dependency, so I'm going to get that as well. Install -d node one. This is a dev tool required for this course, and this is done as well. Let's just check what we have got. I think I have all the tools required for this project, and now I'm going to create a file name. Oh, not over here, it's in one folder. uh, uh, we are going to create a file over here. It's server.js, the entry point of our project, and in this would be the file in which we are going to have our server running. And to create a first server, we need to import some things required. So we need Express and we need to initialize it as well. And app.get, this is a basic route. We are going to learn about routes in the later videos as well, so don't get scared. We are just going to have a demo server running. Rest.send, and we are going to type a message, API started. We are good with it. We are going to define a port on which we are going to run our application. Port which is equal to process dot dot port. I'm going to use 5000. App dot listen, and let's just define our port. Not going to define 3000. I'm going to define 5000 over here. And this is known as string inter. So we are going to use string interpolation to get the things, and we are going to use this comma instead of that. uh, this one. And now we can define anything, any variable inside this braces, and we are going to use port. This is known as string interpolation. Now we can run this application using node server js by command, by typing in command line like node server js, but we are not going to use this. We are going to define some scripts from which we are going to run our node mon, and we are going to use our application in that manner. So so let's come inside uh, the package.json, and we are going to define a script. Let's make this start script, and node server. This would be used for. So we are going to define some scripts, and this is the start script which will be used for production, and we are going to define one more script which is known as server, uh, in which we are going to use our node mon, so that we can run the node mon as our tab dependency. So I think all of the things are ready, so let's just run it. npm run server r script. You can see the node mon has been started, and the we are listening to app listening on port 5000. So let's just check the browser, and if we are working with, if the things are working or not, let's just see. http localhost 5000 API started. You can see that our application is working fine. We are going now, we are not going to use browser as. So let's just open our browser and check if things are working fine. http localhost, and we are listening to port 5000. Our API is working fine. You can see this API has been started. In the next tutorial, we are going to learn about Postman and how to connect our database MongoDB with our server. So please watch our next video and subscribe and like to our channel Bitcoding for other great videos. We are also starting another series which is about Angular, so stay tuned. Thank you.